How to add Roman page numbers in Google Docs. Hi everybody, if you're wanting to do that in your Google Docs, you can follow up these easy steps. So for that, you can open up Google Docs first and double click above your screen and you should be finding header. So go ahead and click on insert after that and head over to special character. So go ahead and do that. After that, from here you can head over to numbers and click numbers, and from numbers select others, and it gives you this Roman numbers option. So go ahead and select the first option, I, and you can place it on the first page of your Google Docs. After that, in order to add another number in another page, go to the insert tab again and then head over to block and go ahead and section break your page into create two pages. After two pages is created, after you create two pages on Google Docs, you will be finding a number here. So in order to make this number second number, you can go ahead to the second page again and then go to the double click on it, and you can go to the insert tab, special characters, and again follow the same steps and select the second Roman number and click on it. After that is done, that's it. So follow the same steps on each pages for Google Docs, and that's it. That is how you basically add Roman page numbers in Google Docs. So I hope this video was helpful, and thank you for watching this video.